It's not worth it.
It's not worth it.
It's not worth it.
Forget it, guys. He's not worth it.
I don't care. It's not worth it.
What's not worth it?
Stop loving me. I'm not worth it anymore.
Hermione, no! He's not worth it.
I just don't want you feeling bad about it, that's all, because it's not worth it, you know?
Brad was right the first time. You're not worth it.
Well, if Lily didn't spend every dollar she has, maybe it's not worth it.
Mom, you don't know what you're doing.
I do.
You don't know what you're doing. I'm not worth it.
Here's a true love's kiss. You're not worth it. Guess what? I'm the bad guy.
What?
So don't worry about us. Just worry about yourself.
It's not worth it, Dad. Hey, hold on! Oh, come on, man. She's not worth it. She's just gonna shit all over you.
Sometimes patience is the key to victory. Sometimes it leads to very little, and it seems like it's not worth it.
What are you doing? You gonna let him snake your spot?
Not worth it.
Boys, here's the only thing you gotta know about being a man. Never let someone take what is yours.
And you should have seen the way your daddy begged for his life. It's not worth it. Put a leash on your cat.
I earned this. I wiped tables for it. I steamed milk for it, and it was totally not worth it.